There used to be a small road up here, but there's a abandoned street light still along here. It's in the middle of nowhere. The track used to come along here. There it is. It's a thorn stradalux. It's in the middle of nowhere. Highly doubt it still goes, but we can try back later at night. Be a very big surprise if it did work. It's almost 9 o'clock, the sun's set, and it is working. Amazing. For some unknown reason it's come on. Or it's got power. It's a nice sunset today. Strange, abandoned, unknown streetlight in the middle of the bush.